Hi everyone, and welcome to our first week of Words 1104. I'm going to be sending out a video every week to just give you a brief overview of what we'll be doing that week. So last week you should have gotten an announcement, which you can find here, or I see it's also on the to-do list here. And in that announcement, I talked to you about how this is an online asynchronous course, which means that we will not be meeting in any set time, but that you have work due throughout the week that you have to complete by those due dates and times. Okay, so you will be working through the coursework on your own each week and just making sure that you turn it in on time. So please make sure that you are checking our schedule frequently. And in your announcement, I also asked you to subscribe to the Ask Professor forum. So this is a great resource for you to ask any questions about the course. So if you have any questions, you can go ahead and put it there. And make sure that you hit subscribe so that you will get a notice of any other questions that people ask as well. We have a Welcome to Words 1104 video and also a Navigating the Course video. So if you have watched either of these videos, you will know that I suggest you do not depend on your to-do list to lead you through each week. Okay, the reason for that is that sometimes the items in the to-do list are not in the correct order, or something might be left off. And if you follow the modules that I have here linked by each week, you will be led from one piece to another in the most in the order that I think makes the most sense for you to go through the work. Okay, so you should have this week you should be looking through the Start Here materials, and the assignments that you'll do in week 1 will also have you looking through the Start Here materials. So instead of looking here each week, just come down here and click on what week we're on. Okay, so if we click on week 1, you can see that we do not have anything due on Monday, which is the first day of classes. Usually you will have things due on Monday. Instead, you just have an overview, and you're also doing a unit overview and learning about Intro to Writing. It acts as an Intro to Writing Studies. So this overview just gives you a basic outline of the week. And you can see it's kind of just another version of what you saw on the overview module here. Okay, let me go back here. Okay, so for each day when you have something due, it will be due by 11:59 on that date. So usually you would have something due on Monday and Wednesday, and on some Fridays we have studios that are due. Not every Friday, but some Fridays you have a studio due by 11:59. So this week, what you want to do, I would suggest doing this as soon as possible, looking over the overview and the Unit 1 overview. And then by Wednesday, you'll want to complete the syllabus quiz. Okay, so you will get to that through the Start Here. You will get the information from the Start Here module that you should have gone through. Okay, and you can take it as many times as you want. And then for each of your assignments on a particular day, I suggest once you finish one, you just use the next button to get to what you should be doing next. Okay, so you're going to read through what's called the Burkean parlor metaphor, which is a very important metaphor for what we're doing in Words 1104. And then you have your first discussion post. So this is really just an introduction and discussion of course foundations, discussion of what you just read about the parlor metaphor, and really just a chance for your classmates to get to know the other people in the class. So you're going to post this by 11:59 p.m. on Wednesday. You want to try to write at least 300 words in response to these 3 questions. The reason for the word minimum is just to make sure that you go into enough detail in response to these questions, and also to challenge you and get you into the habit of writing a significant amount of words for each of these days. So you can read each other's responses as well, and if you want to say hi to anybody or comment on anything they've said, please do. It's not required, but I strongly encourage you to look through the other posts from your classmates as well. Okay, and then if you're clicking through your assignments, you will eventually come to a page that tells you that your work is complete for the day. Okay, so not too much work in this first week, just getting your footing in the course and learning about the course policies and some of the foundations of the course as well. Okay, so if you have any questions about the course, please post them to the Ask Professor forum here. Make sure that if you have not subscribed, that you subscribe, okay? And any question that you have, other people probably have as well. If there's a question that you do not feel comfortable posting to the forum, that's fine too. You can just email me. My email address is right there. And I hope you all have a great first week, and I really look forward to getting to know you all. Bye.